Alright, I am filling my firewood racks. I'm not going to use all this wood. The rest of the wood will be going in my racks. So, let's get started. I've already started a little bit, so the rest. Alright, I just filled up my racks, but my bundles are getting low. I have 2 bundles, 3 kindling, so I'm going to jump on the quad and fill them up too. Alright, so this is how much firewood I took out just for my racks. This was a full quart of wood in this trailer. There you go. So that's how much I used just to fill those racks. That's not even the bundles. There you go. My roadside stand is full. I need to get more kindling, so maybe sometime this weekend I'll go and pick up more because I only have what's in my stands. There's nothing else left. Now for the part you all been waiting for, the money box.
Here comes the money.
I don't know why people never like pushing the money all the way down. So then sometimes people do this, and then that means people can steal some of this. So, I don't know. There you go.